So, hello everyone, today we are going to make the Schröder stairs. Yeah, stairs again. It's this illusions where you have stairs, but is it going up or going down? You know, is the front part the A one or the B one? And that's what we are going to make. So it's not that much complicated. Basically, you do stairs. Yeah, this one will be really fast. So Shift A, Cube, Tab for edit mode. G to grab, enable this so that snaps the grid. Okay, now the wireframe, select, delete, G, A to select all, of course. Now modifier, array, -1, and there 1, repeat, let's say, I don't know, yeah, let's say 12, why not, apply, select this one, E to extrude, perfect, now press Ctrl, left click, oops, Ctrl left click, yeah, like this, now Ctrl left click, oops, sorry, I forgot something, A, right click, merge by distance, so now it will work, so Ctrl left click, amazing, F, let's take that, G, bit, take this, G again, amazing, now we'll do the same for this part of the stairs, E, oops, Control, take this part, F, fill, nice. Now, what we want to do is go to the orthographic view for it to work, and then you see the result is already working. We have the feeling that the stairs, it's upside down, but also that it's in a normal position. That's it. Now, of course, we see that it's going right there. We are not upside down because we have the grid there. But if I deactivate it, and I'll say, let's make this, you can say it's up or down. So is this one, sorry, up or down? Yeah, I mean, is it upside down or not in this one? Let's find out. Wow, I'm lost. Okay, now I see. Yeah, and I'm upside down too. Yeah. You see that when we have no landmarks, you can't tell it's up and down, except if you know where the light is. Because there it's a fake light. You see that some parts are lighter, other ones are darker, etc. But it works. But of course it doesn't work with the perspective enabled. See, it doesn't take any effect. You have to go in orthographic view. which you can do with the camera. So let's take back our camera. Yes, 0. Camera to view. Let's do that. Go to orthographic. Take it up. Disable that. Okay, enable it again. For a few seconds, I was lost. I was lost. I did not know if it was up and down. This illusion is really good. I mean, even there, I'm losing my mind. Because look, even. Okay, let's okay, now let's give it a shader, save it, of course. Top Blender illusion. Schröder staircase. I mean, it's just stairs. Okay, select that. Shader editor, new. Let's say an emission for more simplicity. Mix shader. Layer weight. Sorry. And now you have it. Amazing. Let's give it another color. Maybe that, or the other one, take the opposite color. Could be better. Yeah, no, let's keep this dark. And this way it's perfect. So okay, that was it for this tutorial. Next time it will be about phantasmagoria, say. So basically you just take a transparent I would say a little transparent, like a piece of glass. You draw something on it, and because it's half transparent and half painted, when light comes through it, you can see a projection of this image on the wall. So yeah, that's basically like the old cinema, like in the early 20s. It shouldn't be difficult either, but I think it will include transparent images for the computer. I think I'll have to make some PNGs, but it will be okay too. And that's it for this video and those explanations. So see you in the next video. Bye!